Let's look at how we create members in VisualAnalysis. Members are the basic line element we use to model things like beams and columns and braces. First thing we want to do is make sure we're in the model view, then go to the Structure Ribbon tab and make sure Draw Members is selected. Now, when we're in the model view, we can use our mouse button left and hold it down and drag, and we will actually create a member. So that's a very quick way to create a member. Notice it's currently selected, and if we look over in the Modify tab, we see that its properties are there, and you're able to change its shape and its materials and other properties by selecting it. So that's how a member is modified. The way we delete a member is to select it, and we can use the Delete key on the keyboard, or go to the Home tab, and under the Edit area, we see we have a Delete option. So that's a way to delete. The Undo and Redo stack buttons allow us to add what we just deleted through the Undo or Redo option. Another way we can create a member is by extending it. Let's draw a column over here to the right. Now if I select this beam and use my right mouse button, I have the option to extend members. So if I select that, one of my options is to extend to the first crossing and extend forward. It's the far end, and I'll say OK. And we can extend it then to the first crossing. You have the option also to extend farther beyond the crossing or to multiple crossings if you'd like. Another thing we can do to a member is to split it. So if I select this member and use my right mouse button, I have the Split Members option. When I do that, I'm able to split it into equal segments or on various fractions or specified lengths. Let's suppose I choose specified lengths and I want to break it into 3 segments. And the first segment, let's say, is 2 feet long and the next segment is 5 feet. When I do that, you'll notice I have a 2-foot and a 5-foot section and then the remaining length of the member. So there we looked at the way we create members through splitting and selection and just simple drawing. Final thing I want to do is show you how we can create members using a quick copy paste. Let's suppose I select this column and I hit Control-C on my keyboard, or same as Edit Copy from the ribbon. Now if I hit Control-V from the keyboard, I have the Paste option, and let's suppose we're going to make some rectangular copies. And let's suppose I want to make copies in the X direction. We'll make 2 of them, and let's space them at 10 feet apart. So spacing the X will be 10, and when I say OK, generate copies, the additional columns will be generated via copy. The final way I'll show you how to create members is using our create tree. I'm going to start a new project. Go to the Create tree, and notice we have specified classes for trusses and frames. I'm going to choose a simple roof truss by dragging it onto the model view. And when I do that, I get to specify some information regarding the truss. Let's say it's 20 feet long and 5 feet high. I'll use 4 panels. Steel is A992, which is probably silly, but we use it anyway. And shapes are W16 by 31. And when I hit generate, I will generate several members at one time. So that's a quick way to create common simple structure types.